Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nobody's Game. This guide will help you understand the core mechanics and set you on the path to becoming a master assassin. Your main goal is to eliminate targets discreetly, ensuring you remain undetected throughout your missions. Pay close attention to your surroundings and learn to use them for both cover and escape. Blending in with the crowd is also a key skill to avoid drawing unwanted attention. To succeed, you'll need to master several essential mechanics. Disguises are crucial for altering your appearance and navigating restricted areas without raising alarms. You'll also have access to various gadgets, such as smoke bombs or noisemakers, which can create valuable distractions. Always take a moment to observe your targets and their patrol routes. This information is vital for planning a flawless execution and making your move. Stealth is paramount in Nobody's Game. Always move silently, avoiding any actions that might draw attention like running. Utilize environmental cover, such as crates, walls, or even dense foliage, to break the line of sight from guards and cameras. Should you be detected, react quickly. Find a nearby hiding spot immediately or deploy a gadget to create a diversion, allowing you to escape and regroup for your next attempt. For those looking to elevate their gameplay, consider completing optional objectives. These often provide bonus points and unlock unique rewards, enhancing your overall experience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies and approaches to each mission. Finding your preferred playstyle is key to long-term enjoyment. Consistent practice will sharpen your reaction time and strategic thinking, turning you into a truly formidable agent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.